Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your Snapchat story. This is a great way to share websites, articles, or any URL with your friends and followers. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log into your account. Next, create a snap as you normally would. You can take a photo, record a video, or even use an image or video from your camera roll. Once you have your snap ready, look for the paperclip icon on the right hand side of the screen. Tap on it to add a link. Next, you will see a screen where you can type or paste the URL you want to add. After entering the link, tap Go or the search button. Once the web page loads, you'll see a button at the bottom that says attach to snap. Tap on it to attach the link to your snap. Now that your link is attached, you can go ahead and post this snap to your story. Just tap on the send to button at the bottom right screen and click on my story. And that's it, you've successfully added a link to your Snapchat story. Now your friends and followers can swipe up on your snap to visit the link you shared. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs and subscribe to our channel for more social media tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.